This is Vila Sol. 150 hectares of landscape pine forests, lakes and gardens. Just minutes from Vilamoura and the beaches, Vila Sol offers a calmer way of living, surrounded by greenery and open space. And right here is a home that captures that lifestyle perfectly. Hi, I'm Liza from Mapro Knight Frank. Come with me and take a look at this beautiful 4-bedroom villa. It's one that's been renovated with no expense spared. The layout feels open and connected, with plenty of light filling the home. A sleek, fully fitted kitchen sits at the heart of the home, while the expansive living areas open onto the outdoor terraces. Landscaped gardens surround a newly installed heated swimming pool, creating a private setting for those long summer days. And let's not forget about this gorgeous rooftop terrace with beautiful views over the resort. The modern comfort includes underfloor heating and energy-efficient solar systems, supporting year-round enjoyment while enhancing sustainability. A standout feature in this home is a self-contained apartment in the lower level, adjacent to the cinema-style TV room, ideal for flexibility with family or guests. Vila Sol is a mixture of villas, townhouses and apartments surrounding its 27-hole championship golf course, designed by Donald Steele. It offers restaurants with cafes and bars, tennis courts and other leisure facilities. If this home feels like the perfect fit for you, look up reference 4295 on our website or contact me. And if you're looking for other homes like this, please follow us for more.